Alright, so this one is gonna be simple, but it's a little weird, so I just wanted to give you a demo of what I'm asking for. Um, and you'll see kind of why here in just a second. Alright, well, I'm gonna go to the report center itself. Now then, so I'm about to give you another task here as well. So what happens here is this is a carryover from the zone manager and division manager, and we're going to make this one page for all three. Well, zone manager and division manager use standard Salesforce reports. So in the report URL for the translation record, you then have to pass in PV0, PV1, which really is, in this case, the campaign is PV0, and PV1 is the zone. Now, we don't need that here, but the code still exists. So what I looked at doing is when you right now when you click go, it redirects to the report URL, but what it does here at the very end is it puts a second question mark and then it puts in the campaign. So the first thing that you notice is the campaign here isn't shown, isn't the right one, because of this. So to keep this standardized so it works on both systems, zone manager, division manager, and sales leader, is I still need to be able to pass in the campaign via the campaign equals parameter, but I also need to pass in PV0. Now PV0 will take precedence, meaning if PV0 is set and we have the campaign over here equals a specific value, take the 1 in PV0 over this. All right, and then set this value to what you get in PV0 or PV1 or campaign. All right, so that takes care of this side. Now then, in the code for Report Center, the Visualforce page, it's done based on um, this method here called redirect to standard report. Now, in redirect to standard report, what they're doing here is they're doing this. So they're appending. So what we need to do is, if we do a contains on report to see if this guy contains a question mark already. If it does, then change this to an ampersand. If it does not, then leave it as a question mark. And that simple change will allow the same code to work whether we're going to a standard Salesforce report as in Zone Manager and Division Manager, or as in Sales Leader going to Visualforce page.